What's up, guys? It is Jack and Gus from AchievementHunter.com taking a look at Installation 04. This is the Firefight map in Halo CE Anniversary. This is a brand new map, so this isn't a remake. This is a brand new one, and it is very, very pretty.
Yeah, I think it draws inspiration from, if I recall, it draws inspiration from the Halo level of the campaign for Halo 1.
Yeah, it was like one of the really early stages.
Yeah, when you first crash land onto Halo.
And so, God, this map is beautiful. So it's kind of like there's a center area here underneath this giant cannon thing, which fires out the bolt. Which, you know, that's a Halo ring. So where's that thing going? It's going to hit the other side, right?
It's communication. There's another side receiving it.
Oh, really?
Like a satellite dish.
Okay.
I don't know.
So
I
anyway,
just totally made that up.
So anyway, that's sort of the central area, and you can run around and like Gus and I are doing here and murdering people. But sort of that central area is sort of key because that is where your ODSTs are, and that's something new to Halo, because now you've got AI partners. You got some ODSTs up here just chilling and taking out some guys.
They're regulating. Regulators, mount up.
And right there is like an ammo refill
That may
thing.
be the worst, cheesiest thing I've ever said. I'm embarrassed now that I said that.
Oh, that's going to go online forever.
Look, no one's on the internet, right?
Oh, no. No one watches anything on the internet. Don't worry. So that's Gus on the cannon there, and I'm just protecting his back pretty much. So you got on the Gatling gun, and we're just mowing down
See, it's my gat. Yeah. I'm not letting it go. Like, I'm embracing it now.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, good God. Okay, Warren G. Warren Gus. Oh, God.
Yeah, but it's great having the Marines. I mean, they're not spectacular like a human player, but
No,
I mean,
no.
they shoot stuff.
See, and take a look at the skybox. Look, that's no moon. That's a space station.
No, that's even worse than what I said.
Yeah, and also they have a man cannon here because we were wondering, these elites kept like sneaking up behind us in the middle of the map, and we figured out this is where they were coming from.
Yep.
So they had been shooting their way.
Seems
up
like
there.
they're kind of scared of the man cannon, but he built his courage up to get on there.
Like stepping onto the escalator for the first time. Not really sure about it.
Then he rocked us, man, with that stupid fuel rod
But
cannon.
this was one of my favorite things ever. So at one point we had an ammo drop and we had a Warthog drop, and I managed to get one of the ODSTs to jump on the back. So it was basically I had an AI.
He beat me to it. I was running. It was like that jerk jumped in there.
So it was pretty great because I had a gunner. He was just shooting at everything, and it was awesome. I just got to drive around while he did all the work. And
it's a lot like a day in the Achievement Hunter office.
Pretty much, yeah. Just take credit for someone else's job. And so it was fun. I love driving around this map, and it's a good sized map to actually drive around.
I love that they have like a worn path to kind of guide you on like your ideal driving route.
You can definitely figure out where you need to go, and just taking a look at it looks really, really cool. I mean, I had a lot of fun playing Firefight. I haven't played Firefight in a while, but on here it was a good time. So I can imagine playing a whole lot. And there's a whole bunch of little structures if you want to kind of sneak out and get around and stuff like that. But
I felt like our strategy of defending that middle structure worked best with only two people.
Yeah.
If we had some more people, maybe we could have ventured out a little more.
And to end it, this is me failing.
Our first fail in Installation 04.
There you go. All right, check out these maps soon.